Welcome to MPS Monitor, the best cloud solution for remote printer monitoring and print fleet management. This tutorial will show you how to associate devices with the offices where they are located. The Offices function allows you to record in the system the locations where devices are operated and optimize the consumable delivery process. In most cases, the MPS Monitor system will be able to automatically assign devices to the correct location. To activate this function, you will need to enter the network information for each office. Otherwise, the device's association to the correct office can be done manually. For each new customer, the system automatically creates only one default office. Further offices must be created by the user. To view a list of existing offices and create new ones, you need to select a customer. Then click on Offices in the left menu to access the Offices page. To add an office, click on New Office. You will access a page where you can enter a code and a description for the new office. Feel free to insert any information useful to identify this office easily. By clicking on Add Office Details, you can also add more data, like a physical address, an email address, or other information. After filling the code and description fields, click on Save to create the new office. If the printers in this office are on a specific subnetwork, it may be useful to record this information. To do this, open the IP address section and click on Add. Enter the range of IP addresses for this office and click on Save. You can add details by clicking on Edit at the top right and then on Add Office Details. Fill in the fields and click on Save. The new office will be displayed in the list of offices belonging to the selected customer. To enable automatic association, click on Edit and make sure that you have activated Import Printers of this office automatically. Then click on Save. This will ensure that the system regularly sets for each device the correct office association. If you want to manually associate a device to an office, open the Device page and click on Edit. You will then see the page with all the details related to the selected device. You can associate it by selecting the office from the drop-down menu. Please note, you must have previously created the office and the customer to select it. Click on Save to confirm the association. For customers with very large offices, it is possible to load floor maps and locate devices on the map. To do this, click on the Floors and Maps section and then click Add. Enter a description, for example, the number of the floor in the building, then select the map file to load and click on Save. Now drag the devices on the map, selecting them from the table. By clicking on the blue button, you can change the plan description. By clicking on the red button, you can remove the map. Passing the pointer on the red dots, you can identify the device, and clicking on you will show the details. To delete an office, click on the related code, then on Edit and on Delete. To complete the procedure, click on Yes in the confirmation box. With the deletion of an office, all devices previously associated with it will be automatically reassigned to the default office. Thank you for watching this MPS Monitor tutorial.